Hey everybody, welcome back my channel. Today we will talk about how to disable autofill in Microsoft Edge, and this is a step-by-step guide. And firstly, I want to talk about something about autofill. It is a convenient feature that automatically populates forms and fields with your saved information, streamlining your browsing experience. And however, there may be um, situations where you prefer not to use this feature for privacy and personal reasons. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to turn off autofill in Microsoft Edge, giving you control over your browsing data. Firstly, open Microsoft Edge and launch the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer, and then click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of the browser window. This will open the menu, and then go to the settings. Scroll down and select settings from the menu options and navigate to privacy, search and services. In the left sidebar, click on privacy, search and services button. You can see it there, and locate the autofill section, and you will see an option to toggle on or off the save and field addresses and save and field payments info features. Toggle off this switches to disable autofill or addresses and payment information. And clear autofill data, it is optional. If you want to remove any existing autofill data, you can click on Manage Forms under the Autofill section. Here you can review the delete and any saved information. And for the changes to take effect, it might be helpful to close and restart Microsoft Edge. And another optional step is adjusting advanced settings. If you want more control over autofill settings, you can explore the advanced settings. Firstly, return to settings. Go back to the main setting page by clicking on the three horizontal dots, but then selecting settings, and scroll down and click on view advanced settings. And under the autofill section, you can find additional options such as managing saved password. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. Okay, thank you so much for watching.